Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm going to go over my bi-monthly Scentsy Club. I am so excited and I really needed some of the stuff that's in there. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm super excited to share my Scentsy Club with you guys. This one's the bi-monthly. I have two clubs currently. I have a bi-monthly and a quarterly. You can set them up for any time frame you want, whether it be monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. If you don't know what Scentsy Club is, it's a subscription club where you literally control it. You can put in any consumable products that you want, whether it be light bulbs, cotton cleanups, your laundry, your body wash, your room sprays, your car bars, your Scentsy bars, whatever consumable products you want to come to you like on a repeat basis, you can set it up. And the cool thing is when your club hits $30 or 30 PRV, which is pretty much $30, you will get 10% off. Then once it hits 60, not only will you get the 10% off, but you'll also get a half-priced item, which is fantastic. So let's go ahead and talk about it a little bit. My favorite perk of Scentsy Club is something called Always Get My Bar. Now this perk does not apply to any other product except for the Scentsy bar. So let's say you fall in love with a scent. Let's say you fall in love with a spring summer scent, because those are going away on August 31st, which is my birthday, by the way. I'm going to be 22. No kidding. I'm going to be 51. I'm happy about being 51. No biggie. Anyways, but our new catalog is going to start. So let's say you are like, oh my gosh, and this is me, actual footage of me right now. I love skinny dipping. And if they don't put skinny dipping back in the spring summer catalog next year, I'm going to be super sad. So what Vickie's going to do is Vickie's going to put my apricot vanilla, my skinny dipping, my moonlight, what is it? Moonlight? It's not Moonlight Drive. What the heck is it called? And Summer Moonlight. Those are scents that I love, and I would be super sad if they don't come back. So what I need to do is I need to put those in my Scentsy Club so that I can always get my bar. They will make it for me, even if I'm the only person on the planet that wants it, okay? So this is why it's so important for right now, because we're about to lose this spring summer stuff. And if you have a scent that you're like, oh my gosh, I will be so sad if I don't get it, you need to put it in your club. So let's go over these bars. All of my bars are bars that were either in the catalog. Actually, I think all of these were Bring Back My Bars. I believe all these were Bring Back My Bars and collections, because like when we drop a collection, like whether it's the Valentine's Day, whether it's the Easter, Christmas, harvest, whatever, if you fall in love with a bar, you can put it right in your Scentsy Club, and while it's available, you stick it in your club, and then you can always get it. Another thing about Scentsy Club is you cannot increase the amount that you want, but you can decrease. So if I say I want 4 bars, which I used to get 4 bars of hazelnut latte, and I still get 4 bars of hazelnut latte. But let's say I decided, you know what, as a matter of fact, I think that's what I'm going to do, because I don't need 4 bars anymore. I have to drop that back down. So I'm going to drop it down to 2 bars, okay? Because I don't need 4 bars of it. I might even go to 1 bar, because now I have a nice little stash for myself. I can do that. But if I change my mind and be like, no, I think I want 2, too late. Once I dropped it down to 1, 1 is what I got. So be mindful of that when you are setting it up. Put more in that you need, because you can take out, but you can't add. Okay, I think I beat that dead horse for a while. So since we were already talking about hazelnut latte, we'll go ahead and do hazelnut latte. So like I said, I got 4 bars of it. I think I'm going to drop it down to 1. I'll do another video of me updating my Scentsy Club. Oh my gosh, so good. And what I like to do with seasonal bars, like the stuff that's in our spring summer catalog, I'm not going to put it in my monthly or my bi-monthly. It's going to go in my quarterly. I just want 1 each quarter so that I have myself a little stash in case next spring summer catalog it doesn't come back, right? So I just need 1 of each. So hazelnut latte is amazing. It literally smells like a hazelnut latte. It's so good. I love coffee scents. And if you love coffee scents, this one's not available, but the Friends scent, the one from the TV show Friends, it's a coffee scent and it's fantastic, and it's going in my Scentsy Club as well. So I will be doing that video because I need to do that before the end of the month. I need to get the stuff in my club that I love. But hazelnut latte, a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Next one was a Bring Back My Bar green tea smoothie. I also believe I have a bar of it in my quarterly. So good. I love this scent. So nobody else can get this unless they put it in their club. Like it's exclusive to me and all my other green tea smoothiers. The next one was also part of a collection. It was part of the Catching Z's wax collection, and it's Shut Eye, and it's one of my favorite bars. So I got a bar of that. As a matter of fact, that's what's in my warmers in my bedroom right now. So good. I actually mixed it with Flirtatious to see if I liked it, and I did. It was really good. I love to mix scents and see what I get. Okay, then I have 2 of Starburst Sky, which I think I'm going to remove. I love Starburst Sky. I think I might have it in my my quarterly. If I don't, this is one I'm willing to let go of. It's good. It's really good, but I have a stash of it now, and I found other scents that I like a little bit better. So we might be saying goodbye to Starburst Sky. We'll see. The next one is one of my all-time favorites. I used to have 4 bars in my monthly and in my quarterly, so I built myself a really big stash of them. So I dropped it down to 1 bar in both my quarterly and my bi-monthly, and it's Toasted Marshmallow. It's just fantastic. So we haven't had this scent in a long time, but I get it because it's in my club. Because for me, I don't want to buy what I don't love. If I don't love it, why would I buy it again? I try a bar of something. If it's not my favorite, I would rather warm stuff that's no longer available, but it's in my Scentsy Club, right? The next thing is Cutie Pie Cupcake. Oh my gosh, I love this scent. Literally smells like a yellow cake. So ding dang good. Okay, the next one is my bathroom scent, Coconut Cotton. And we're about to say au revoir. That's me being bilingual to Coconut Cotton. It's about to go in the cabinet because September 1st, we're going to be breaking out the pumpkins, okay? So, but Coconut Cotton is my spring summer go-to for my bathroom, and I just love it. Absolutely a fantastic scent. The next one is Cherry Almond Pie. I'm obsessed. I love this scent. I use it a lot in the fall. It is so good. So good. Okay, Cherry Almond Pie, and that's what it smells like. The next one was and that was a Bring Back My Bar. This one, Pear Blossom and Cucumber, was also a Bring Back My Bar. I love it. Same thing. I have a bar of it in my quarterly, and it's good. This is a good bar. There's some people that don't like it. They say it reminds them of the 80s. Remember when or the 90s when we were all wearing water, what was it? Cucumber Watermelon from Bed Bath & Beyond. Maybe that's why I love it. I don't know, but I love that scent. All right, the next one is it's in my top 5. It's Lemon Coconut Chiffon, and I've been warming this quite a bit in my kitchen. But yeah, I love it. This was a, oh my gosh. It was a Bring Back My Bar, and I love this scent. Oh, apparently I got 2 pear blossom and cucumbers. So that's all the bars. Then I got 2 things of my cotton cleanups, because I go through a ton of them. Not only do I go through a ton, but I like to put them for customers so they can try them, like with their samples. So, but I go through a bunch because I have so many warmers and I change my wax all the time. So I go through a bunch of them, but getting them half price. Yes, please. But anyway, that's my Scentsy Club. Let me know what you loved and what you didn't love. If you're like, oh my God, lemon coconut chiffon, bleh, like, let me know. Or if you're like, Starburst Sky, don't get rid of that out of your club. I love that scent. Like, I want to hear all about it. And let me know what's in your club. What's your favorite bar from your club? And if you want information on a Scentsy Club, you can message me. I have my email in the description of the video, but there's also a link to Scentsy Club, so you can start up your own Scentsy Club if you get confused, which is very easy to add everything. But if you need help in a walkthrough, I'll do a walkthrough with you. I answer any questions you have. But anyway, that's my video. I hope you're having a good weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.